Subscribe to my channel for delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. The carnivore diet, also known as the all-meat diet, is a dietary approach that involves only consuming animal products, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. While the carnivore diet may provide some short-term weight loss and other benefits, it is not a balanced or sustainable approach to nutrition. The lack of fiber and other essential nutrients may lead to deficiencies and other health problems over the long term. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional and follow a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods to support overall health. That being said, if you are following the carnivore diet and looking for new meal ideas, an air fryer can be a convenient and versatile kitchen appliance to have. Air fryers work by circulating hot air around the food, which can create a crispy, fried-like texture without the need for added oil. This makes them a good choice for those following the carnivore diet, as they can help add variety and flavor to your meals without the added fat and calories of traditional frying methods. Here are a few carnivore diet-friendly recipes that can be made in an air fryer. Air fryer steak. Season a steak with salt, pepper, and your choice of herbs or spices. Place the steak in the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it reaches your desired level of doneness. A thicker steak may need to be cooked for longer, while a thinner steak will cook more quickly. You can use a meat thermometer to check for doneness, aiming for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, or 160 degrees Fahrenheit for medium. Allow the steak to rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This will allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a juicier and more flavorful steak. Air fryer chicken wings. Toss chicken wings in a bowl with olive oil and your choice of seasonings, such as salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can also add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a bit of heat, or mix in a tablespoon of your favorite barbecue sauce for a sweeter flavor. Place the wings in the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are cooked through and crispy. You may need to cook the wings in batches depending on the size of your air fryer. Serve the wings with your choice of dipping sauce. A blue cheese or ranch dressing would be a classic choice, or you could opt for a spicy buffalo sauce, or a sweet and sticky honey mustard sauce. Air fryer salmon. Season salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and your choice of herbs or spices. You can also mix together a simple marinade by combining equal parts olive oil, lemon juice, and your choice of herbs, such as dill or basil. Brush the marinade over the salmon before cooking. Place the salmon in the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The cooking time will depend on the thickness of the salmon. You can use a meat thermometer to check for doneness, aiming for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve the salmon with a side of vegetables or a salad. Roasted asparagus or Brussels sprouts would be a good choice, or you could mix together a simple greens salad with a lemon vinaigrette. Air fryer pork chops. Season pork chops with salt, pepper, and your choice of herbs or spices. You can also mix together a simple marinade by combining equal parts olive oil, minced garlic, and your choice of herbs, such as rosemary or thyme. Brush the marinade over the pork chops before cooking. Place the pork chops in the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are cooked through and have an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooking time will depend on the thickness of the pork chops. Allow the pork chops to rest for a few minutes before serving. This will allow the juices to redistribute, resulting in a juicier and more flavorful pork chop. Air fryer bacon. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a single layer of bacon in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overlap the slices. Cook the bacon for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it is crispy and brown to your liking. You may need to cook the bacon in batches depending on the size of your air fryer. Remove the bacon from the air fryer and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess grease. Remember to use caution when cooking with an air fryer, as the high heat can cause splattering and burns. Be sure to use oven mitts when handling the air fryer basket, and be sure to keep a safe distance from the air fryer to avoid burns. In conclusion, the air fryer can be a convenient and versatile appliance for those following the carnivore diet. While the carnivore diet may not be suitable for everyone and should be approached with caution, these air fryer recipes can help add variety and flavor to your meals. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that you are getting all of the nutrients your body needs to function properly.